Hello everyone, look what I got here. It's a Kyosho Laferrari. It's kind of a nice looking car. They have extra details, separately applied headlights and tail lights, and two-piece wheels, and also rear view mirrors, which is unusual. It's an unusual occurrence for a 1/64 scale car to have rear view mirrors like that. So it's about Hot Wheels or Matchbox sized, and they come with a base, which is kind of neat. A base and the name of the car, if you ever wanted to have that. And I noticed that they have screws at the bottom, so I wonder how easy or how hard it would be to switch out the wheels. We're about to find out. So we'll just take out the two screws here. And let's see how easy it is to get in there. Doesn't seem to be that hard. This is a really good quality model. Everything fits well together. So I'm gonna fool around with this off camera. Let me do this right. Yeah, it wasn't too hard to get out. I just didn't want to push too hard on anything or break anything. So these wheels are already very good. And then there's the interior that can come out. It's the same thing again. I don't want to go too hard. Oh, the seats are a separate piece. So this is nice. I could paint these right away and personalize my car. They have some cars have a red interior, which is kind of neat. So the interior, it just slides out from under the pin that picks up the screw. So that gives me the opportunity, if I want to, I can paint the engine. That's irresistible. I'm going to do just that, because you see it through the windshield here. And while I have everything apart, this gives me the opportunity to clean the windshield. One nice detail about this car is this brake scoop here. You can actually see through it. That's a very nice extra detail. So while I have everything out, this gives me a chance to come inside and maybe clean the glass a little bit. I don't know why that's so important to me, but I just like to have this stuff very clean. So let's find out how much work it would be to swap out the wheels. Well, so far so good. I got my custom wheels there. The front one may be a little wide. Let me see if I can work that out. So I gave it just a little bit of slack. Honestly, it just took 2 seconds. Now it fits right in, so I'm going to put the base now. So I put the base on, that took 2 seconds. I can screw the two little screws back on. And that's it. I got a personalized version of the LaFerrari. Let me give you a close-up. Well, I'm really pleased with that. That only took 2 seconds, and it really changes the car. And here's a different style of wheel, which I think is better suited to this car. And the red calipers really accent everything, along with my red engine. So that was a fun project. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.